Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we are starting English medium chemistry. In this topic, we have to study two type of spectrum. First is absorption spectrum and another is emission spectrum. So when the body, atom, element, so when you take a body or atoms, when energy is applied, so the quantum form, so energy applied by the body or a compound, so the atom can be absorb energy, then you can see absorption spectrum, and another atom can release electron or release energy, so the spectrum is created. You can see here emission spectrum. For example, when a bulb in a hydrogen gas can be filled in the bulb, when electric energy are given in the bulb from electricity, so this hydrogen atom can be take this energy and starting his ground state to excited state. It means for a minor times, so continued process will be cycle completed, so you can see visible light. So all type of light, ray or radiation can be see here. So in sense, the energy can be absorbed, then created absorption spectrum, and energy can be released by the body is called emission spectrum. So how can you this effect can be completed? So understand with one example. Here take one atom. This is the nucleus of atom, the first orbit of electron. Here second orbit and third orbit. So here we understand absorption spectrum. Take any atom model. So first here energy can be applied on this atom. So here first orbit it means this electron is second orbit present and third orbit present. So all orbit electron present contain itself energy, particular energy for all orbit electrons. So it contains suppose 50 energy, second orbit contain 35 energy, and it contain 45 units energy. Now this light can be incident on atom. It means so number of energy package can be consider of this light. So many package in a light. Now this after incident this light, this atom first orbit electron can receive this energy. It means suppose here 15 or here 35. It means is receive 20 units energy, and first electron goes from to this second orbit. In similar way here second orbit electron can absorb from this source of energy, quantum of energy, and obtain unit energy and gives to third orbit. It means here first orbit electron 15 units energy taken and goes to second orbit, excited state, ground state and excited state. In similar way here ground state and goes to excited state contain 10 units energy. So here visible spectrum in can here, so the energy can be absorbed. It means here two lines, two area can be touched, and remains area you can see different wavelength of ray or different type of radiation you can see in electromagnetic waves, and all type of spectrum can be created. But here two energy package can be absorbed by this atom, so two dark line can be represented here. So this type of spectrum can be seen is known as absorption spectrum. Now you know that when the energy is applied, an electron goes to ground state to excited state. After minimum time or after some time, these electrons can be back to its ground state to lose energy. It means similarly here energy can be lost. It means here this electron goes to first, second state contain 20 units energy. So now its minimum time or minor time, this electron is goes to its original, it means ground state. So energy can be here released. So 20 units energy suppose can be released. In similar way here this electron goes to third orbit and release 10 units energy and go back to this second stage. So energy can be released. So now this time we can show the spectrum. So in second time here first case 1 for absorb energy and case 2. So release this energy. You can see here suppose here spectrum. So in a black body region visible spectrum can be here seen. So 2 energy can be released. So this time only 2 light can be spark visible light and the remains portion is you can see black. So only 2 visible lines spectrum can be seen here because here 2 energy packets can be released and remains part are seen in black. So this type of spectrum can be known as emission spectrum. So 2 types of spectrum here, absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Absorption spectrum, it means energy can be absorbed when energy is applied on the atom. So number of orbit present electron can absorb energy and here visible which energy can be absorbed. So here dark, it means black line. So known as absorption spectrum. And same case, this energy can be gained. So electron ground state to excited state now move back to on ground state after some time. So energy can be released because second state energy is only 15 units, but here now this electron contains 35 unit energy. So release 20 units energy. So in this time we can see spectrum only 2 energy can be released. So 2 line spectrum can be highly lighted visible and another part is black. So this type of spectrum can be emission spectrum. So is a negative of each other. We can also say that negatives of each other. This is called the spectrum, absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Thank you very much.